Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Sony MDR110 AP. Now probably I was looking for a wired headphone because my Sony YC300 got dead, which was a Bluetooth earphone of course, but I was looking for something cheap because I gotta buy the Realme TWS anyways. So I need something for desktop, something which is cheaper, and again it's Sony. I need Sony for sound, I just love it. So this is from Amazon. The weird thing is the packaging, as you can see. Now this is something weird. Nowadays I'm seeing Amazon is not doing the full packaging of the product. They are just sticking the labels to the product itself and that's done. Now that's very bad because you can see now the seal is intact, but you can see there's a tear here. Now this was delivered me with this thing. Okay, this is not a good practice, guys. Now I'm not even sure if the seal is legit or it's just they used some gum to just stick it up. I'm not sure. Like I literally, because if it's fully packed, it's really nice. It's clean and it's fully sealed. That's a good thing. That's a good experience. But I'm not liking what Amazon is doing these days. So let's go ahead. Let's first remove the invoice first, and let's see if we can keep the intact so that I can use it for thumbnails anyways. So we're gonna cut this up. Have the Sony's. I'm not going to peel this off because I'm sure it's gonna destroy the box. So yeah, there you have it. I won't remove the sticker anyway. So sorry, there's no information this can reveal, because if I tear this up then probably the cardboard will destroy, and it will make this unreturnable if I need to. So I will just, you can see it says hands-free phone calls, compact folding. So again, this is a wired earphone from Sony's and I got it for just $999, which is insane deal, I would say. It has the microphone as well, and if this is a black color, so if you need like a white color or something like that, it's really expensive. I think it's $14.99 or something like that. So let's break the seal. It's fully intact as you can see. So let's break the seal first. I think opening the box, as you can see, nicely comes in. This is Sony's premium packaging. It's not the best one because again this is a cheaper earphone, but of course better than my YC300, I would say. So there's a box inside the box, and again that video was a hit, so I hope this video also does very well on YouTube. So you have this nice packaging. This speaks quality, guys. And there you have it. The headphone itself, pretty light, I would say, pretty light. You have the Sony's general information that you get with all Sony earphones. You have a barcode information right here. You can download the Sony Mobile Extras Liveware extension. That's really cool. I will try this out. And this is a wired earphone. So you can see 3.5mm headphone jack. Now I need to use an adapter for my smartphones, but for my laptop, that is MacBook, it will just work out of the box. So I'm actually buying this for my desktop. So there you have it. This is the Sony's 110 AP. This is a glossy finish. It's completely plastic. We have a nice cushion here, and I'm excited to try these out, and I will let you know the initial impressions. Nothing else inside the box. I will be right back. So guys, I'm using this for almost a week now and I'm really impressed. This headphone sounds amazing. So if you know me, that I actually always get the Sony headphones. Like this was my first Sony Bluetooth earphone that I bought, and it did really well on the channel as well. And this is almost 4 years old, so this is the 5th year I'm using this, and sadly this happened. It just breaks. Now that's because of the poor plastic quality that Sony is using. Now again, if you know that if Sony premium headphones have a really good quality, but the cheaper ones have this kind of a plastic thing, which is also with this ZX110 AP. So this thing is actually plastic, though they have this glossy finish as well, but still plastic. And a little worried about the same, but for sure this is gonna last me more than 3 years. Like 3 years is the bare minimum. Just see, this is a Bluetooth earphone, okay, and this is my primary desktop headphone I'm using for almost 5 years now, like 4 years plus, and it's still working. Like this ear is not working, but this ear is working, and it still sounds incredible. So I hope the same happens with the 110 AP, the headphones, of course. But I'm a fan of this because first of all, this is over-ear headphones, so yeah, and it has a really good sound. Like if you know the Sony signature sound, like perfect bass, crystal clear treble, and it's just awesome experience. Also, you have this nice easy to travel case. Now I don't travel with headphones, of course, because for that I'm gonna get TWS anyways, but this earphone sounds so good that I'm thinking instead of getting the TWS, I will get the Sony Bluetooth version of this headphones. Because the wire is really good, like just plug and play, but I find the wire length is little bit less. If you're buying for your desktop, I think you might need to have an extension cable, because I'm using my Mac. It's of course on the desk, but this is just perfect for me. But I think if someone has a CPU below their table or something like that, the wire might be short. So for that case, you might need to get an extender. Otherwise, you can get the Bluetooth version. Let me know which Bluetooth version you want to review for. I'm planning to get one, or I might get the Realme TWS with active noise cancellation and stuff. But talking about these earphones, these sounds really good. I'm extremely happy. Now again, I'm worried about the plastic, as I just discussed with my YC300, that it just braked. And I think the same gonna happen with this one, because I'm a heavy user, and I just put it on air and remove it. So but still the quality is better than what YC300 was having, and has a nice glossy finish as well. So I think it's good. Like for 999, I can't really complain of how amazing these headphones sound. Now again, this is a black version. If you want to get the white version, it's a little bit expensive. It's like 1400 something. It's not justified for a white color, guys. I was sure I'm gonna pay 500 more, like almost 500 more for a white color. I'm not sure if a color fan, and definitely yes, but these have very high margins, so keep checking for prices. I got an amazing deal of 999, and oops, sorry, it just fall. As you can see, it's very light, but say I'm worried about this plastic thing. But you have the inline mic, and I use it for Teams meeting, and it's good. I will show you a short clip of the same. So guys, this is the audio coming directly from this headphones, I think the 100X, something like that. I don't remember the name. Sony names are really confusing. And here you can see I'm moving from low pitching to high pitching sound, and you can see the bar moving up here, which gives you an idea of how it sounds in the meetings. And again, just for a demo, I can show you this is a mic. I can bring it closer and further away. Tuck, tuck. So definitely I'm using this as a primary desktop headphones for meetings and everything, because it's wired and I can go for hours and hours. And I've tried almost a week now. I'm super comfortable wearing this. Like this thing is super comfortable as well as, and if you know about speaker burning, so over time the frequency response of a speaker gets better and better as you use it. So I think the audio quality is going to improve even further, and that's the reason why I'm asking you to wait for a little longer for a review, maybe 3 months, 6 months, or a year. This is what I did with the YC300, and I'm thinking to do the same with this WX100. I don't remember the name, guys, to be honest. Definitely it's on the video. It's an unboxing video, of course. But these headphones are really good, and I'm thinking to get a Bluetooth version as well. And I hope you like the sound quality as well as nothing else, right? So get back to the video. So overall, I'm really happy with this. If you want full in-depth review, maybe after 6 months or 1 year, let me know in comments down below. I will happy to share that. Thanks for watching. You can buy the links in the video description of this headphones, as well as the white color if you want, as well as the Bluetooth one I was talking about that I might buy. I will leave that in the description as well. So thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.